Hi, my name's Kat, I'm 30 years old and I'm using this channel to document my investing journey. Investing seemed too scary and inaccessible to me when I was younger. I had no idea how to get started or what platform to use, and a lot of them seemed very intimidating. In October of 2019, I opened a stocks and shares ISA with Plum, and at the time the subscription was £1.99. It's gone up a little since then, though they've added quite a few new features to it as well. There is a free version which gives you access to the cash ISA, and I've linked to that in the description. To me, this seemed like the easiest platform to start with, and I did stick with it, although I have been very inconsistent over the years. So in my Plum Stocks and Shares ISA for the first year from October 2019 until October 2020, I added £436.88 to the account. It lost £55.55, but grew by £115.76, leaving a profit of £60.21. I ended the year with a total balance of £497.09. The second year that I held this Stocks and Shares ISA, from October 2020 to 2021, I added £133.10 to the account. It lost 18p, but it grew by £167.11, leaving a profit of £166.93. This year I also sold some of the funds, totalling £285.77, and I ended the year with a total balance of £448.75. If I hadn't sold, this probably would have been around £734.52, assuming the value didn't fluctuate too much. 2020 was quite a volatile year for obvious reasons, and so I ended up panic selling and wanting to redistribute some of the funds. This was the year I sold the most, and obviously, with hindsight, I'm regretting it. For my third year, from October 2021 to 2022, I added a massive £23.83 to the account. I lost £94.93 across the year and gained £31.36, leaving a loss of £63.57. Finishing this year with a total balance of £385.18. For anyone with investing experience, this must be very painful. It is for me looking back on it all, but I promise it does get better. In year 4, from October 2022 to 2023, I added £82 to the account. I lost £8.49, but gained £129.50, finishing the year with a balance of £523.44. In year 5, from October 2023 to 2024, I really locked in this year and I added £2,990 to the account. It gained £279.56 with no losses, no stock sales, and I finished the year with a balance of £3,793. In year 6, from October 2024 to 2025, I added £1,000 to this Stocks and Shares ISA when the allowance reset in April. At this point, I had started a LISA, a cash ISA, and opened a trading 212 account, and really decided to take things seriously. Around April of 2025, things were very volatile in the markets with certain tariff announcements, and I lost £440.51. However, there was a nice bounce back and I gained £1,116.82, leaving me with a total balance of £5,469.31. Now, opening my Trading 212 account has not been without its struggles, but overall it's been a positive experience. If you want to see how that's going, check out this video and subscribe to follow along.